over there. I was like...
Oh, look at this jump. Let's go. It's got the largest density of crocodiles in Queensland. This place has some of the biggest barra in Queensland. Just cutting some fat bog laps.
G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. Last week we were at one of the most famous beach camps in Queensland, and this week we're at one of the most famous lake camps in Queensland.
And we're trying to catch my first bloody barra. Check us out, we look like absolute clowns. We've just hired a kayak. Oh.
If he catches a barra, we're in trouble.
So we're at Lake Proserpine, and apparently this place has some of the biggest barra in Queensland. Like, it's just teeming with barra. We are a little bit late, it's just gotten a little bit colder, and apparently the barra's been still caught around the joint, so hopefully today we're going to flick a few lures.
Boats though.
Yeah, only one's dumb enough to be out here in a kayak, and as you can see it's a bit tippy. Anyway, we're going to have a crack here. Hopefully it's a good episode. If I don't catch a barra, we're going to donate $100 to a charity. So there's a high chance that we're going to be donating some money, let me tell you that. Anyway,
2 years, surely you're going to get a barra.
I don't care if it's a big one or a little one. A barra's a barra. I've never caught one. So let's see how we go. Yeah, baby. Big barramundi cootie coming right up, eh? Everyone been taking the piss out of me for my sunnies.
You're a barracutie.
And now I'm a barracutie. So now I've got some real men sunnies. Real men wear these sunnies, eh? And if they say otherwise, they're not a real bloke. Get the cap. Tell you what, it's pretty difficult fishing in this kayak though. It's pretty rockin' and rolly. And even though they say there's no crocs in here, we're near the Proserpine River, which is like got the largest density of crocodiles in Queensland.
Did you know, fun fact, that in the Proserpine River, there is 5.5 crocs every kilometre. Every kilometre, that's hectic.
So we're separated from that by a damn wall.
Apparently they caught one here 1 year.
Yeah.
But the lady at the office said there's definitely no crocs, so...
Nothing to worry about apparently.
I don't know. Still scary.
I'm using a bait junkie soft plastic. Apparently, because there's so much weed in this lake, like every second cast you just get weed. So I'm just trying the slow retrieve with a soft plastic on. I think it's a bait junkie, this one. You bastard. Get him. Oh, now
Keelan, careful. Can you put your legs...
Big barramundi cooter. Where is it? What is it? Is it a crocodilian? It's not a big salty. I'm looking pretty delicious today. Speaking of cows, there's cows bloody everywhere on the bank, eh? I reckon they've caught all the barra, and that's why we haven't caught one yet. And another thing is I forgot to wear my fishing shirt again. If you wear a fishing shirt, you just catch fish every time. I forgot it, damn it. We've got to find some structure because the barra will sit on the structure. We'll find that structure.
How's him sitting at the back of the kayak just demanding to go further as he sits there and just does nothing? You got a barra?
I've been bloody snagged. This is a weedless lure and
it's definitely not weedless.
it's still getting bloody weed on it. Bloody hell. Alright, let's change spots. No good, Buckley's at the moment. We tried hard. I reckon I've flicked about 200 times. And the sunnies might have scared the fish off, I reckon. There's a good chance anyway. So we're gonna go give the kayak back. It's about 20 bucks for every hour out here. So it's pretty expensive fishing. Yeah, we'll go try from the land, I reckon. There's a couple jetties and you can four-wheel drive around the lake a little bit, we think. We've seen some tracks. So we're gonna go investigate and hopefully find some less fish ground, because the kayak, you're definitely restricted to like sort of in front of the caravan area, I'd say.
Especially when it's only one person kayaking.
Yeah, the other person's fishing, one person's paddling. So anyway, it was good fun. It's beautiful out here on the water, and this is something we don't get to do very often. So
and the mountains are amazing. There's
yeah,
just like dense rainforest all over them. It's pretty incredible. So.
Doesn't do it justice, the camera, that's for sure. Anyway, let's go in, give the kayak back, pay our monies, and yeah, keep trying, I guess. Me and Grant, BMX band, the homeboys, just crushing it out in the streets here. It's a hard life.
Zero barra were caught, but there's absolutely no surprises there. We never catch any fish. Lake Proserpine has been absolutely beautiful, but it is very, very busy. It's school holidays, so we had to be somewhere at this time of the year.
We wanted to get the front sight, and we'll bang the drone up now so you see exactly what we're talking about. You'll know straight away, trust me, but we wanted to get that front sight, but there's just so many people down there, and it was a spot we could have squeezed into, but then you're just being ignorant, so we just decided to come back here. We're with our mates, every day's a Sunday, and they've got a big rig too, so we had to squeeze them in as well. So yeah, so we just stay at the back here, but it's been absolutely amazing.
The beauty of this place is you can just pick any site. It's all unallocated, so you just drive in, find your favourite spots. 20 bucks a night, 25 for families, and
You're allowed doggies as well.
there's toilets, showers, bins.
Dogs allowed.
Yeah, so it's basically got everything you need except for like power and water.
If I can't catch a barra here, I'm going to be very, very disappointed because I feel like this is our best chance at catching a barra.
Surely.
So yeah, the jetties are being pretty crazy at the moment, kids jumping off them, and I know one thing about barra is they don't like it when kids are doing big bomby garters on their head. Anyway, we're going to keep trying.
But if we don't catch a barra, Keelan will shave his moustache off.
Yeah, that's true. And tonight, I can already see there's clouds doing it. It's like this real wispy clouds. Forecast is for a good sunset and a couple sherbets. Yeah, anyway, this is Lake Proserpine.
Guys, we hope you're enjoying today's episode. If you have smiled throughout this episode, make sure you hit that red button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the easiest way to support us and it's free. We've got a little bit of an announcement. We are heading down to Outback Equipment's open day on the 2nd of September in Brisbane.
We got some sick merch. It's like the first merch drop. I don't know why I just threw a shocker, but we got some sick merch. Nah, it's actually pretty cool merch. It's stuff that we would wear. We're really excited and proud about it, and we cannot wait to show you guys. So that is going to be the launch day of the merch. Come down, get some show specials. All the big names in the full drive caravan boating industry are going to be there, and there's going to be some sick specials where you can save some really good coin on products. So come down, say good day to us, We're going to be down there all bloody day. Down below there's going to be a link. They're free tickets. You just got to secure them, that's all, because there's going to be a limited number of people that are going. So make sure you get in first, don't miss out, get your tickets that are free, and we'll see you down there 2nd of September, Outback Equipment in Brisbane. Oh bloody hell, there's a big boat. We're just cutting some fat bog laps, cutting hard bog laps in Ingham. Now Ingham's famous for a few things. One is its chickens. Everyone's heard of Ingham's chickens.
I don't think Ingham's Chickens is even here, is it?
Nah, I think it's, they don't do it here, but it's Ingham's. That's what it's named after, Ingham. And anyway, the most famous part of Ingham, I would say, is the original pub with no beer, Slim Dusty's pub. Yeah, we just went past it. It's pretty cool to see it. We have seen it once before, but yeah, it's pretty sick to see. It's probably one of the most iconic pubs in Australia. So anyway, we're heading up the road here. We're going to stay at a free camp. What the bloody hell is the army? Army's bloody here. Look at this. They all got G-Wagons. This is one thing I've always wondered, why the army gets, you know, $200,000 worth of a G-Wagon instead of just buying an old farm ute or something, you know? That's what I've always wondered. Why do they want Mercedes-Benz?
Well, it did used to always be Land Cruisers.
Well, I'm not sure. That was apparently why the 40 series was built, and the Willys Jeep. But anyway, they've been, everything like that's been replaced by G-Wagons, which I have no idea why. Anyway, I thought I'd just show you guys that, the pub with no beer, famous Slim Dusty pub.
And if you haven't listened to Slim Dusty, get on it.
Yeah, if you don't know who Slim Dusty is, you haven't lived. Alright, Turkey Joes, it's been a few days, but we've left Proserpine now. We've made our way up the bloody Bruce Highway, and that road is rough as guts. Literally, your false teeth would fall out on that thing. Come up the road here, and we've come to a spot that a lot of people will know, and it's called Big Crystal Creek. Now, you can't swim in many places because obviously we're in croc country, so you got to utilise these places. Apparently, this one is one of the most spectacular spots to swim around. So we're going to go in, check it out. It's a bit of a hike. Got no bloody shoes, I forgot them. And we're going to see if we can get down there and have a bit of a swim. Hopefully it's not too cold. I'm sure the nipples are going to be pretty stippled. Are you puffed?
Well, they're unfit.
I reckon I've put on weight because my legs started to chafe together a bit.
Yeah, well, someone replied to our story of us last year and they're like, whoa, you guys look so much younger there. I was like, oh, it's just because we're porkies now.
100 metres. Are you going to do the slide?
Yeah, that's the only reason we've come here.
I reckon you won't.
Oh, piss off.
I reckon you'll chicken out.
Well, this one's called Big Crystal Creek.
Rightio, we made it. So this is Big Crystal Creek, and this is actually the slide here. So as you can see, she looks slipperier than a bloody snake, lubed up, and there's a serious heel clicker right there. Bit of a jump, and I'm scared I'm going to go too fast, get there and then crack my head, because I reckon you get some serious speed up there. But I tell you what, the sound of that waterfall makes me want to piss my pants, honestly does, but it is such a peaceful sound. I seriously need to hit that slide right now. Yeah, that's pretty slippery, eh? You wouldn't want to stand on that, you just go straight down.
Your arm.
Hey?
You break your arm?
Actually, that actually hurt.
Here we go, Sarah's going down for a big cowbunga down the rocks. It's slippery. Send it. Oh, you! The canes, eh? That little kicker there, eh? That's like it's got Crusty Demon's jump.
I need a wee so bad.
Lubricate the slide.
Get across. We're doing tandem now. This could be bloody dangerous.
Tandem skydive.
I've already caned my ass on this thing. Oh, look at this jump. Let's go. Bloody hell. That was so much fun. Like literally, we haven't had fun like that for ages. Going down that slide, I felt like a kid again, and so did Sarah. Did it probably about 100 times. And people actually rocked up and they were like thinking, what the hell are these people doing? We're just giggling and going down the slide. That was sick. But we've left there. We're heading up to Little Creek now. So Little Crystal Creek is just up here, up this bloody billy goat track. But it's such a nice drive. If you're around this area, around the back of Townsville, definitely come out, check this joint out. It's wicked. Definitely Sarah and Keelan approved. And check that view out. You can't probably quite see it, but we're pretty high up now, and we're winding our way up this mountain, and hopefully this spot's pretty nice too. We're going to show you when we get there. Yeah, so such a beautiful and underrated spot this.
Alright, so we've just come up the road to Little Crystal Creek. It was like a massive winding road through the rainforest. It was so, through the forest, sorry. It was so cool, but this place is way more rainforesty than the last place. The last place is quite open, but this has got all beautiful cover over it, and it's just magic.
How good's that? No barra, but we got to donate money to Make-A-Wish Foundation, so it's a win-win for us, money to charity. So yeah, we're loving doing that at the moment, giving back as much as we can. And if you want to support us, the easiest way to do that is subscribing. If you like our videos and you like the cut of our jib, definitely hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next week. Cheers, legends. Yoo.